Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Now whether you like this channel or not doesn't really matter, because I really like to say things straight to your face. Simple, okay? And whether people want to be bullish for their own, personal agendas, and they want to actually follow their own mentality or not, I'm not here to do that. I'm here to actually tell you how things are done and how they're meant to be. As long as BONK doesn't really come above here and try to actually break up here and hold 180,000, 190,000, I'm actually looking for a drop down to 41,397. That's just what it is for me, okay? Because it's not Adam Coins who is saying it, but other than the charts who are actually telling me this, right? You got the whole distribution going on. You have a 14,000, 16,000% move to the upside. And if you actually came down to 41,000, it's never going to be a big deal. And by the way, I would even actually love to enter when things are actually down. Thing is that I told you two things so far, and that is, number one, you have the trend line that was broken down. I gave you this as your retest. You've taken a few stop losses out there, and it does actually, if you go to the previous 3 days of videos, go to my channel, watch all those updates for the past 3 days. Every single thing that I was expecting is playing out, except for one place that I was looking down to for this break to go to the downside. And I actually even gave you a stop loss here, right? So you pretty much went for the retest, break above it, and then you push up and you finally came for that retest. In this retest, we talked about this one being your number one retest, but I told you clearly that to me, this is not enough. You may go for a stop loss hunt. You took the stop loss, you try to go back again, and you got rejected 3 different times. On the 1 hour time frame, I've given you a pattern here, and this pattern is an ascending broadening wedge, and this is negative, okay? So you're looking for 21%. If you actually, because you're breaking out of this, look, you go up, you come down, you go up, you came down, you're breaking below, and you're looking to go back to where you started, which is 114,000. So basically, yes, you're looking for a little bit of a pushback up to 156, get rejected here, and you're looking for that drop. That's going to be number one drop, and this is going to be 24% move to the downside. Now for reference, I would actually like to go on and do some Google with you. So what we're going to do is go to the Google itself, and I want to show you ascending broadening wedge, and this is it, okay? This is how it looks like. Educational piece of video out there for you. I don't really care all that news. I don't really care all that meme coins kind of things. I'm here for the chart reading, and here you are, okay? Higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher lows. You keep on going up like this. You broaden the wedge, and that is negative. And look, this is the breakdown. Move up, right? Move back up. Get people bullish, then drop them down. Chalk slam, right? A breakdown, a move up, chalk slam. That's what I'm looking for, right? Now, as long as in this mini little bit of a pattern, if you're not going to come back up to 181,000, I'm still bearish. I've been like that for the past 5-6 days, and I will remain like that unless there's any reason to flip the other side around. And if we have to flip, I'll be the one to tell you flip. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.